Oh hey, I'm up here on the RWIS tower in Big Mountain Pass, and it's a bit frightening. I'm on top of this structure that I'm wearing a safety harness, and I don't really know what any of this does, and instruments and doodads and whoosy whatsies. I'm here with the weather group and they're checking all the systems, but they let me climb this tower so they can see road conditions, monitor what they need to monitor to get that information to the maintenance sheds and to all of Utah to get you safely where you need to go. So I'm going to go back down because it's a little scary.
RWIS stands for Road Weather Information System. In the spring and fall, we do our preventive maintenance cycles. We have currently about 200 of these weather stations all across the state. We know for Lambs Canyon in particular, there's a decent blowing snow. We get a lot of wind that comes down that canyon, and it can cause some issues, some icing on the bridge, and the maintenance sheds can go take care of it.
This looks like something I could do. Can I do something with that? Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna like go along the outside too?
Exactly. Some various creatures we've come across, spiders,
oh no,
snakes, mice, lots of mice.
Okay, I may require more. Is that a possibility?
Yeah, cause a lot of damage. They've been known to chew through power and communication wires that take our sensors down. So we try to deter with putting putty on conduit and steel wool so they can't get into those. Predominantly, there's different reasons for where we might put a weather station versus some other ones. We want to pick out the spots where the winds might be the strongest on the edges of the mountain ranges. Or we want the snowiest spot in a maintenance stations area, Big Mountain Pass, which is the top of East Canyon. That road is typically closed. It just opened recently, and it has a camera on it. Oh hey! That can help plow drivers see how much snow is on the road, but we also have snow depth sensors to see how things are doing up there so that they can better plan when they should clear that road. Utah is a varying climate, and we try to make sure that we're capturing all the different nuances of it as we can to make sure that UDOT maintenance staff are doing what they need to do to keep the road clear, keep you informed using our variable message signs over the highways. We know that there are many places that Utah drivers need to be, and we will strive to make sure that the public is aware of what weather is doing so that you can be safe on Utah's roads.